very sad incident that has happened yesterday, where two precious lives lost due to that accident, and a huge boulder ultimately fell down to that mini. I think it's a pickup vehicle, and then instantly both of the precious life lost their life. And my condolences to the bereaved family. And number two, in fact, yesterday itself, I have instructed my SDO civil and then the team of police under the leadership of the SDPO, Penusla, and also I've directed the NHITCL along with their team and even the company who is implementing this package 2 project to again go to the detail, the reason behind the falling of this huge boulder leading to the death of these two persons. So I've directed, and again today they went, the whole team, even from my executive engineer level, they went there, and then in presence of SDO Civil, in presence of BDO, in the presence of all the stakeholders, and that's why today we have decided that temporarily this road will be should be closed. Maybe it may happen 2-3 days, but my humble request to all the concerned stakeholders, especially people from my constituency, to bear with us, because now we would like to attend to this portion, especially which is not at all safe for flying over that particular place. So therefore, I would like to request all the public of Penusla area to kindly join and to kindly also cooperate with us and let the district administration take care of this issue. And now the decision we taken that I think further land acquisition has to take place. But for that, I have not received any latest information, but that is the line of thinking that we would like to further acquire that portion so that the landslide can be cleared once and for all.